Government ya Uganda okurabira mu World Bank ansi ya project ya Competitiveness and Enterprise Development Project chete SEDEP etungwiro okuchondoza ko kwongera kumanya aitencheri ya government area Uganda Wildlife Research and Training College rukushango marakatwe kabatoro town council omu district ya Kasese.
We can easily do research using the tools and equipment given to us. SEDEP has also gone a long way in helping us in improving our curriculum. We have reviewed and developed some courses, and this one has actually helped us because we have made our curriculum now more competence-based.
Wirebanura or principal instructor itendekere rya Uganda Wildlife Research and Training College nagerangwa abeja itendekere iri nebeja kuguko mu bintu bitari mwe na mwe.
We train them in wildlife management and tourism management, so they have a lot of hands-on experience in nature interpretation and wildlife management practices.
Emotoka eriato hamwe n'ebindi bihirwa begesa itendekere eri nibagiraho nibyija kubahweraho mu kwegesa beji obwe barukuchondoza okongera kumanya ibintu byo mutano.
Ebintu nk'ebyo biraza kutuyamba ngo twandike empapula n'ebitabo ebiraza kuyamba aba Uganda Wildlife Authority kumanaginga wildlife age eby'obutonde bwitu ebirayeta abagenyi kureba ngo yagenda je.
Dr. Emmanuel Akampurira orukure bya research itendekere eri nagirangu nangwa research babiri nubakora neija kongerwaho kandi bayamba kutungura ibyo buhangwa hamwe n'ebyo barambuzi.
So tushemerirwe munonga kandi turamanya ngo hatiya emirimu jitu twaza kujongera mu amani kandi tukorere kimwe turebe ngo contribution yitu wildlife management yayongera kukura.
We have laboratories, we'll be able to make our practicals there. The GPS, they all help us in our field, and we also thank the government so much for the vehicles they gave us, the troopers.
We have laboratories for research. We have GIS that is assisting us to collect more data in the field.
Itendekere ryamazire kubana rihindurwa izina ku rugumu Uganda Wildlife Research and Training Institute kwetwa Uganda Wildlife Research and Training College. Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.